Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Cumulative update was actually released on September 1st. It's an optional update, so if you don't do anything, it's not going to install. Basically, what happens is if you go to the Windows Update page in Windows 10, you will see that there's a optional update to download and install in Windows Update. It wasn't the optional part for me to download. So once you click there, now it downloads and installs. It's bug fixes, no security updates in here. So that's the first thing to know. If you are actually updating your computer, these are just bug fixes. So it's not necessary to install them. If everything's fine on your PC, you can just forget it and wait. The update will bring your version number depending on what version you have, which is version 2004 per the first version of last year, version 20H2, which is the the October version of last year, or 21H1, the May 2021 update for Windows 10. We all are getting this. What it does, it brings your version number, depending on what version you're running, to 19041, 19042, or 19043. And the ending should be the same at .1202. So that's telling you that you've updated. Like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So if you don't have any issues, you don't have to install this. It will anyways install by itself when the cumulative update for security are available. What this does is actually fix 34 bugs in Windows 10 that were actually found here. Probably the most popular one is Bluetooth and USB headphone issues. Some people found that they had problems when they were actually using headsets, audio headsets in USB or Bluetooth. And if you have installed third-party audio drivers on the devices, some of you had problems with the audio. So this fixes that, but a lot of other things at the same time. If we look at it, a bug in OneDrive that actually tells you known folders only when you install a Windows update. Another one that is fixed is images that might produce flickering or residual line artifacts when you resize an image. That is also something. Some have seen a external monitor that displays black screen after hibernation. So if you have these problems, this might be a word of the update. Also, there's a reset of brightness when you are actually back to standard dynamic range when you actually have content that has high dynamic range monitors. So these are little things that they've fixed here and there. Like I said, 34 in total, but the biggest one and the one that I've seen probably the most mentioned is the Bluetooth and USB headset issue that people had as a problem. So if you have one of those problems, then installing this should fix it. If you don't have any problems, you know what? Just don't think about it and ignore the update. Like I said, it will be installed anyways when you get to the Patch Tuesday updates in a couple of weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.